Hi beautiful people, welcome back to another cooking video. So in today's video we're making fried yam and egg. Actually I'm not really a fan of yam, but for a change we just decided to go with fried yam so that plantain will not grow on our heads, because for a long time now we've been eating just fried plantain and egg. In a week sometimes we eat for breakfast fried plantain and egg like 3 times. So today we decided to do fried yam and egg. Meanwhile, the way Nigerian food is so expensive in this Europe, God I beg you. You won't even believe that I bought this tuber of yam for 8 euros. I mean, that's a lot for this small tuber of yam. Anyway, first thing first, I started with peeling and cutting up my yam. I like mine in chunky strips, not too thin, not too thick, just the perfect balance so the inside is soft and the outside gets a little crisp. And after cutting, I gave them a quick rinse and set them aside. I fried the yam in hot oil. I started off with high heat and then reduced it to medium heat. I always prefer this method because it allows the yam cook properly before turning golden brown. You can also do whatever works for you, because some people prefer to fry on medium heat, but for me, I like to start off with high heat and then go down to medium heat. So once they were done, I transferred them onto a plate with some paper towels to soak up the excess oil. Guys, this alone is already making my mouth water. For the egg sauce, I heated up some oil. Then I went in with some roughly blended peppers and onions. I allowed that fry for about 5 minutes so that the flavor can really come out. Please note, for this recipe, I didn't use tomatoes. I just used bell peppers, scotch bonnet, and onions. Yes, I used a lot of onions. Meanwhile, if you have watched this video till now and you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. See, I don't have pride though. I'll keep begging you. I'll beg you until you subscribe. Please guys, if you have not subscribed, try and subscribe. I'm begging you, please subscribe and leave a comment and like. Thank you. Also, in one of the videos I made about frying eggs without tomatoes, somebody was asking me, why do I fry my eggs without tomatoes? It's just preference. You get, I feel like tomato gives my fried eggs those kind of sour taste, which I don't like. So when I fry it without tomatoes, it just gives me the natural pepper taste. So that's just the reason basically. So into the pepper mix, I added some aromat and some ground pepper. Once that was cooked a bit, I poured in my beaten eggs. Now here's my little tip. Don't stir too much. Let it set a bit, then gently scramble. That way you get those soft, chunky pieces of eggs. And guys, that's it basically. Guys, the smell was something else. Even my neighbor could probably smell it. I plated it up with the fried yam on one side and the egg on the other side. And tell me this doesn't look like Saturday morning goodness. This is one of those meals that just brings back memories, whether it's from growing up or just having a lazy, cozy day at home. So if you're looking for something easy but really satisfying, definitely give this combo a try. And if you've had it before, let me know how you make yours. Some people like to add sardine or even a little pepper sauce. But for me, I like it very, very simple. Honestly, I don't like my egg sauce to be too complicated. You know the way some people add prawns, add sardine, it's really nice though, but me, I just prefer my egg sauce to be very simple. Guys, look at that goodness. I mean, feel free to join me. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.